this water test, you will get a fair idea about what may happen to your Galaxy A7 if it happens to get wet in rain or in water accidents. Because the Galaxy A7, even though a mid-range device, is not provided with any level of waterproofing or IP rating. So starting with the test, let's first check the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass protection. As you might know, this layer helps in reducing fingerprint smudges, but it also helps in water resistance to a certain degree, where water rolls off the glass instead of lying flat and sticking to it. Devices which completely lack this oleophobic layer as a cost-cutting measure were the Oppo A3s and the Realme One. But thankfully no cost-cutting measures is going on here. Not every device is able to reach the heavy drenching round. Case in example are the Asus Zenfone 5Z, which had suffered from display damage due to water seepage issues inside the screen, or the Realme 2 Pro where water had entered the camera. So here's hoping none of that happens to the Samsung Galaxy A7. Apart from these issues, the most common reaction to occur in these water tests is low distorted audio through the external speakers, and it can last from a few seconds to several hours, which may permanently damage the sound unit. So let's see how far the Samsung Galaxy A7 can go through the rounds and if it suffers any damage. The good news is there was no damage to the display or the camera. The low distorted audio took about 2 hours to come back to normal, and any prolonged exposure can end up with a permanently damaged sound unit.